Yogi. Oop, 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 oop. This is exciting because we're going to have a Yogi's Day Out. And where are we going? Do you know Yogi? Stay tuned. We're going to have a picnic today. And we are bringing Yogi with us. Say hi. Hello, 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 hello. Giggle, giggle, mommy to the max. No, Yogi, no. And he is so happy because he has been indoors for a long time. And now he gets to play in green, green grass of hope. Yeah, Yogi boy? He doesn't know it yet. But he will be very, very happy in a short while. So let's go have our picnic. Well, we arrived in our picnic area. It has been raining a lot these days, and we haven't. I think we were not able to come back for several days, and because it has been raining continuously, the grass has grown back. And it's back to its original state. Oh, our pit is gone. I can't find it from here, but actually it's there. It's just that the grass has grown back. Let's take a look. Yogi, what are you eating? Hey, maybe that's... What are you eating? Yogi. So look... there's a little development here before I show you the grass. Actually, Zai has done some mowing, so this part is okay. And wow, that tree is really growing. Well, it has more leaves now. What do you call this, Zai? This tree? Akli. This is Akli. Yeah, it likes it. It likes the area. And even, what is that on that side? You see that one? Hangga? Yan o, sa dulo.
Yung ano yung dito, mahogany.
Oh, that's mahogany. But anyway, it's not indigenous. Come on, Yogi. Come on, Yogi. So we had some posts put up here because we are going to put a covered some kind of a, what do you call that, like a gazebo or a small covered area. So we have the 4 posts are in, and there, so nice. How deep is this, Zai, the foundation?
3 feet.
This is 3 feet down? 3 feet down. Wow! Do we really need that?
Okay, baka mamaya mahangin.
Ah, okay. Alright. To secure it. And then we will put some roofing here. But look! Look what happened finally!
Wala tayong posporo.
Pwede ka bang humingi kay June? Ha?
Wala man si Jun dyan.
Baka may tao.
Wala ganing tao sa kasara.
Oh no. But anyway, look. Look. Gone is the hut. And gone are my plots. Talaga pong hindi namin ito nabisita ng matagal-tagal. Oh, but the kamote there, kamote tops are there. The tomatoes are done. They're done. We really haven't returned. And Yogi, there might be toxic plants for you there. Okay? So stop eating. And the pit, what do you call that? What do we call that? Our fire pit is over there. You cannot see it from here, but a few more steps. Come, Yogi. Come. Come. Now you have all these okay, here it is. It's overgrown with grass. Look at the middle. So we put plastic there, black plastic, but apparently, wow, this grass can still grow, no? So they were probably brought by the wind, the seeds, whatever, on top, and then they just, weeds are hardy plants. Look at that. This is, oh gosh, this is a lot of work. But that's okay. Huh? So we have already marinated our pork chop. And then we have some kamatis. We brought a bottle of Coke. And then we have our plates. We have our rice here. And along the way, Nikki bought balot. There's 4 of them, and now only 2 are left, which means she already ate the 2. And we have tomatoes, onion, and we're going to roast, grill the eggplants. Of course, we have this. This is sinamak. It's basically vinegar, coconut vinegar with ginger, with garlic, and lots of sile or pepper. And here's Nikki, our balot addict. And Dad decided, instead of using our fire pit, he decided to grill over there because there's a dry ground or dry base. And Yogi is fastened to this, I guess this is what, 12-foot high bayog, bamboo. And there's our wash area. Okay. So let's see what's going on here. This is our very raw picnic. There. Wow. We have our grill. The charcoal is nice and hot. Can we start putting na the ano?
Wait lang, okay.
The, what do you call this? The eggplant maybe? And the pork chop. Okay, get the pork chop, sweetie. Alright. So in the meantime, look at Yogi. Hello. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm going to come get you. So Nikki and Dad will now roast or grill the pork chop. Careful, anak, mahulog. No, that's our dinner. That's dinner. So this is simple living. Oops. So as you can see, a gate has been put up on that side already. So Yogi, stop that please. Yogi boy. Oh, no. Wow. Nice. Embers there. So Dad used some of the pavers and rock to raise the grill because we don't have a fancy griller. This is really Boy Scouting, Girl Scouting style. Mainit na. Yoo-hoo! And there you go. Yeah, you can put the eggplant on the side. Yes, good job. So we will just keep pie.
I-split mo daw, Dad. Split yung kamay ko.
Come here, Yogi. Not there. It's getting dark, Yogi. There's the ice. Come on. Click on it. You like it? The ice? There you go, boy. Yes, come on. You can do it. You want to play with it? Yeah. It's getting dark. But that's okay. We'd rather come on a cool time of the day, and food is almost done. Can't wait to bite into our pork chop. While Yogi is very busy with his ice, he likes it. He likes the ice. Yogi boy? Yep. Good boy. Good boy. Kaya nga ako na dyan. Hawakan mo si Yogi. Hala, Dad, ayan na. Dad, ayan na. Back up. Okay, inside. Inside. Come on, Daddy. Yung lamesa. Dito na lang kasabay ang lamesa dito sa likod. Come on, Yogi. Inside. Eto po nangyari sa amin. Hindi ko na po na video. I wasn't able to video record our hasty departure from our picnic area because look at the rain. We chose not a good time. Actually, we were thinking of coming earlier, but somehow we were taking our time to get ready, and so we made it much later, and by the time we got there, there you go, nagtumulan na. But we were able to cook, to grill. Did we grill, Zai? Huh? We did, no? But I think we need a little bit more time for that. But look, that's the rain. Wow, it's pouring. Wow. We've arrived home.